Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the court one of your favorite PE teachers from Aspendale Gardens Primary School. The one, the only, Mr. King.
Hello students of AGPS. Mr. King here, ready to play some Rob the Laundry Basket. Is everyone else ready to play? Excellent. Before I do play, I will need some help today. So luckily today I have got an helper with me. I have got the one, the only, Mr. Murphy.
G'day guys, I'm here. Mr. King, I heard you needed help, so I've come
I do need some help today.
all the way from my office to give you a big hand today.
Excellent.
Now guys, question. Do you think you've got what it takes to beat Mr. King and myself at Rob the Laundry Basket?
Excellent. So, there is only one way to find out, and that is to play Rob the Laundry Basket. Let's get into it, everyone.
Let's do it.
Round 1. Round 2.
I was scared of pretty girls.
3, 2, 1, go!
All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magicians assist in their dream.
Round 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself, but she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come on stars. Running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man.
Alright, everyone. So there you have it. There is our 3 rounds of Rob the Laundry Basket done and dusted. How did we go, everyone? Did we do okay? Excellent.
Alrighty guys, now if you manage to win 2 out of the 3 rounds, that means getting a quicker time than Mr. King or I in 2 of the 3 rounds, you are the AGPS Rob the Laundry Basket champions.
Pretty
Alright,
impressive if they can.
absolutely. Good luck everyone.
And have some fun.